Who did this?
The secret is you gotta ignore them.
What did you do?
Day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
Won't retrieve a duck, but by God, he can point a bag of dill pickle chips.
Bad dog.
What's this? What is that?
What?
I had to walk the dog and show me! Show me! Show me how to walk the dog! Oh.
God damn it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nella, girl, stop. Jesus Christ.
Walter. Come here. Yep.
Billy, what happened?
Hi, puppy.
Oh, gee.
As you can see, her face, it won't go back in there.
Hey, Bear, what happened?
Did you get your head stuck in there getting the ball?
Go on, yachts.
Look who broke through my neighbor's fence to say hello. She's stuck.
I have a question. Who took a poop in my bed? You took a poop in my bedroom?
Who did it?
Who did this?
Who did it? Who did it? Who did it?
No, what's it? Did you do this? That was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
Bailey, did you finish Annalisa's breakfast this morning?
Of beef shank, of beef of beef tripe, of beef tendon meatballs.
My God, you're gonna bring.
Wait, like our neighbors like hate us. Wait, wait.
Run away. I'll just catch up with you later. I wouldn't go any further.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save...
Puppy!
Those are dead puppies.
Bitch! That's what I'm gonna do when someone tries to scare me. I'm gonna. Is this real or fake?
Oh, for sure real. They working them to the bone.
I'm coming.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
It took her way too long.
Hi. Oh, Ay, Allah.
Ada! Oh, Ada!
Nobody's gonna know.
Where is the good boy?
Kiki, where are you? Kiki! Baby! Bro. They're doing that.
Are you stuck?
你在干嘛？
今天没吃药。
Sonny, why are you fucking a human, dude? Can you stop standing?
Hey! Hey!
Fossey, this is your boy. Oh, so you gonna be like that? Look, he already crying.
Nomi, you gotta help her. She's too fat.
What the hell? No, you gotta take care of him. We gotta take care of him. What the hell? Take care of him.
And now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening.
Why you're not helping her? She need help.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Hey man, I just want to say thanks for hanging out with us today here on Tube Squatch. You could have been anywhere else on the internet, probably watching a raccoon ride a skateboard or a baby dance to some pit bull song. But you chose to be here, and that means something. Let me know down there in the comments what part hit you the hardest, or made you spit out your drink. I read all them things, even the weird ones. YouTube says they know you're going to like that next video down below. I don't know how they know, but I trust that algorithm like it's my cousin working at the DMV. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button, smack that subscribe, and join the Squatch fam. We're out here in the woods of the web, keeping it weird and wild. I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay legendary, stay squatchy.